Let's go through LeetCode 424. Longest repeating character replacement. For this question, you give us a string and a key. It asks us to find if we at most replace key characters and find the longest repeating character. For example, for this question, we can replace A to B, right? You say that you can choose any character, change it to any other upcases. For example, if we convert this A to B, that will be B, 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 B. So the length will be 4. Also, we can convert B to A, right? A, that will be 4. And the second question, we can replace only one letter. For this one, so what we're thinking about is that we can consider trying to find the longest string which have, for example, either A or B, right? And also the longest string which have only one is different. For example, if it's that longest A, I allow one B character in it, trying to find the longest length. And if we try to find the longest B, I allow only one A in it, right? And you say that the question is not only A and B. So what are we thinking about is that we can find the for example, in this string, the maximal frequency. So what we think about that is that if we find a maximal frequency, that is the letter which appears most often, and we trying to see if it allow k characters which is different than this, we trying to find the longest length. So that means because we are trying to find the longest length, right? So if, of course, if we keep the maximal frequency, so the in a range, this will be the maximum number, right? And for the rest part, we just plus k, right? So we have two pointers. One is the right pointer, one is the left pointer, and trying to see if we have maximum frequency, is that right? Minus left, minus max frequency. If it is smaller or equal to k, right? That means this kind of window, it meets our situation. So we just try to update the max with right minus left plus 1, right? Trying to compare, and then in the end we just return this max. So with 2 pointers to write these questions. Let's begin to, and I'm going to use a count array called count. You say that it has only uppercase English character, so we just have 26, right? And we are going to have we can have a function called count max. return this result. So we'll have longest at the beginning we set as 0, right? And we'll have right pointer at the beginning we set as 0, index 0. And for int left equals 0, let's change this char array. I will process the char array. And int a equals array less. So we'll say for left equals to 0, left smaller than left plus. We'll see every time we move the left pointer, we'll have count. Sorry, let's put this as right. Right point. We put the left pointer to be 0. You can, there are two ways. That is, one is that you move the right pointer and you, as which one have the move, and if the condition meets, we just move the right. And if it does not move, we just use while loop to move the left. Another way is that we move the left pointer if condition still moves. We use while loop to move the right pointer. But I suggest is that we have a right pointer in a for loop in a while loop in the left using the left pointer because the corner case will be fewer. But this is a potent style anyway will work. So we put left equals 0, while right equals 0, right smaller than, and right plus plus. I have count array right minus a plus plus. Let's say while left smaller than right, and right minus left plus 1, and minus count max counts. If this one is greater than k, that means it doesn't meet our situation. Then we'll move our left pointer. So we'll have left pointer plus plus, right? And of course, we need to remove a count, right? Left. So looking out of the while loop, we'll say if right minus left plus 1 minus count max max once. So the model equal to k, then we just update this longest equals max dot max longest right minus left plus 1. And then in the end, we just return longest. Right. And let's take some other example. And trying to see some corner cases. Okay. Okay, we use a two pointer, the time complexity will be O in. And yeah, we use this kind of array, right? And you see it's a constant space.